To use Afterpay in person with Square, start by ensuring you have a Square account and the Square point of sale app installed on your device. Next, navigate to the Square dashboard and click on Apps. Then search for Afterpay and click Install. Once installed, click Open and follow the prompts to connect your Afterpay account to Square. On your Square point of sale app, tap the 3 horizontal lines to access the menu. Then tap Settings and select Payment Methods. Toggle the switch next to Afterpay to enable it as a payment method. When a customer is ready to make a purchase, ring up the sale as you normally would and select Afterpay as the payment method. The customer will then need to sign in to their Afterpay account on your device or provide their phone number to receive a verification code. Once verified, the customer will see the Afterpay payment schedule and can confirm the payment. You will then see the payment confirmation on your device and can provide the customer with a receipt. It is essential to note that Afterpay is only available for eligible purchases and the customer must meet Afterpay's eligibility requirements. Best practice is to inform your customers about the availability of Afterpay and its requirements before they start shopping. Additionally, ensure you have a stable internet connection to process Afterpay payments successfully. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use Afterpay in person with Square, providing your customers with a convenient and flexible payment option. This will not only enhance the customer experience but also increase sales and revenue for your business.